In the final of a two-part update on 30-year-old Jaseine Greenfield, whose two hands were severed by an ex-partner in 2017, Krista Campbell looks at the possibility of prosthesis.
Curious and anxious. The emotions as 30-year-old Jaseine Greenfield stepped into the Surgix prosthetic clinic in Montego Bay, St. James to get fitted for prosthetic hands. It's the first step in the process to help her become even more independent as she ekes out a living to better care for her 15-year-old son and 8-year-old daughter. Surgix CEO Winfield Boban says his team acted upon direct instruction.
The Prime Minister has taken a great interest as well, and his office, in getting this matter out.
He says the Prime Minister is trying to secure funding to pay for both hands. A grateful Jaseine already has hopes.
I would love to see me actually assisting myself, like using bathroom, having a shower, and so forth. So that's the most curious part I would like to see happening to myself again.
We will give her one mechanical hand and one electronic hand, if you will, bionic hand, if you will. And that would allow her to have more functionality, to be able to do everyday chores that she is having some difficulty with now. And as well, she'll be able to lift things and comb her own hair, maybe, apply some lotion, things like that. So she'll be able to have the use of her fingers.
Now, the first 3 steps in the process includes getting the prosthesis molded.
When I'm doing the mold, these measurements here have to basically be used to provide proper suspension for the patient. So this is what a test socket looks like. It's basically see-through, so we can know where it needs to be modified, if modifications need to be done. We can use this test socket to better prepare us for the final fitting of the prosthesis.
The fourth part of it now would be teaching her how to use these limbs. The fifth part of it would be helping her to strengthen the muscles so that she can carry the limbs.
Now that the process has started, Mr. Boban says the end result, where Jaseine is actually using her prosthetics on her own, is all dependent on her.
With someone like Jaseine, who has this urge and this need to overcome, if it may normally take 90 days, she can get it done in 30 to 60 days. So it's really patient specific, to be honest.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.